1, 2. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm literally bleeding. Rest in peace. Loves, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be trying sugar waxing. Before we get started, I don't know if y'all can see, let me come a little closer. This is a necklace that my love got me. If y'all can see, it says SugarMilk. I freaking love it. It's so cute. I love you so much. Now, let's get into it. I made some sugar waxes right here. I will link the video that I used down below because I did not figure this out myself. If you know anything about sugar waxing on YouTube, then you've seen her channel, and you know she knows everything about sugar waxing. I actually made this maybe like 2 weeks ago or something like that, and it worked. But I felt like it was I was using too thick of a layer because I tested it out on my leg to make sure that it would actually work. And it works. This is what it looks like. Nice and golden. I've been letting my hair grow out for a little while now, and I think we'll be good. So let me show you what we'll be working with. It's not too bad. I'm really trying not to sweat. Because, you know, if you watch our videos, it has to be dry. And I ain't got no kind of baby powder or nothing like that. But this is what we're working with. And I don't have actual wax strips. I have this old t-shirt that I just cut up. And I use that as wax strips. And then you just, when you're done, you just soak them in some water, some warm water. And the sugar dissolves in the hair. You just pour that out and you take the strips out. They're nice and clean. You just let them dry and you can reuse them. So I definitely think that this is a good option if you're trying not to buy razors anymore, or like if you want to try something new. Because me personally, that's what I want to do, because I feel like if you think about it, this is kind of zero waste, I feel like, because you mix it up with all natural ingredients, sugar, water, and lemon juice, and you can use scraps of a t-shirt, reusing, recycling, whatever, and when you're done, you just soak it in the warm water, like I said, and it rinses out. And really the only waste, I guess, is the water and the hair. I don't know. I feel like this is a good option. So I'm going to try it out. Like I said, I tried it on my leg to make sure that it works, and it does. But I have not tried it anywhere else. So I don't know my pain tolerance. So we're going to see. So I'm going to take a good glob of it. I don't know how much I need. This is what I'm using. And I'm going to apply it. You're supposed to apply it in the opposite direction as the hair goes, but like my hair doesn't grow in one specific direction. I don't know if this is a little TMI because I'm all close under my arm, but my hair doesn't grow in one. I'm going to just put it up. One thing I did learn from testing on my leg is that you don't want to do too thick of a layer. I'm scared, y'all. I'm going to take a piece of t-shirt and I'm going to put it on it. Press it in. I ain't do no type of prep, like exfoliating or nothing like that. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but alright. I'm scared. And then you pull it in the direction that the hair goes. So I applied it up. So now I'm gonna pull it down. 1, 2. And it didn't even get it! Oh my god. Okay. Are you serious? It didn't get anything. Alright. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. And I'm bleeding just a little bit. Y'all can't see it, but I'm bleeding just a little bit. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to spread it around again. Y'all, I'm freaking bleeding. Alright. Y'all, if this don't work, I am about to have my whole underarm bleeding. I just use razors, I guess. Because I use a safety razor, which I know is better than the disposable razors. But I was just trying to cut out I was trying to cut out shaving. I'm scared now. Because that hurt and it didn't even work. Maybe I gotta pull it up. Y'all. It's coming off on the thing. But the hair ain't coming off. It's making me sweat. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's because I'm sweating. I washed it off. And I took a nice close look at my underarm. And my hair grows to the side like that way. And I got some flour to try to, because I ain't got baby powder. And in the video, I think she said like arrowroot powder. But I ain't got that. But that's basic. People use that like flour, right? Alright. So I'm going to dust my underarm with a little bit of flour to absorb, oh God, to absorb the oils. And I don't think this is gonna work. Right, so I'm gonna take some more. Maybe I'm using too much. I'm gonna apply it this way since my hair grows the other way. And I'm gonna put it on and press it in. Okay. I'm scared now. See, the nervousness, the anxiety, mixed with my hair, it's making me sweat. And the fact that it didn't work the first time is making me sweat. 1, 2. Bro. I'm gonna do part of my leg to show y'all that I did this the right way. Put it on. It don't hurt that much. See? It works. I ain't get all of it, but it works. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm just gonna go back to the drawing board. I'm gonna figure out what I did wrong, and I'll be back. So I actually remade my sugar wax, and I'm just gonna give this side a break and we're gonna try this side. I think that was the problem. Might have been the wax, because this one is way more like sticky. I'm gonna take this strip. Let me come closer. I applied it. That's what it looked like. Now I'm even more scared. I feel like it's gonna work now. 1, 2. This one's gonna work. I can feel it. Do y'all see that? I'm bleeding. You see the little... Oh my God. I think it's stuck. I'm bleeding. I don't know if I want this anymore. It's too late though. Because it's already on there. Just gotta do it, right? Right? Oh my God. Ow! Okay, I'm not sure if I want to do this anymore. I'm literally bleeding. gonna leave this alone for now. I think I need to do some more research and I don't know. Rest in peace. Let's look at this. That was very painful. As y'all can see, my arm is bleeding. At least I got a cute necklace. Alright guys, so do this at your own risk. Do a lot of research and take caution, because if you don't know what you're doing, things can happen. Like I said, at least I have a nice necklace. If you enjoyed watching me struggle, be sure to like this video. If you want to see more of potential struggles, subscribe down below. Comment something that I did wrong, something that you think I should have did right. And I'll see you in my next video. This is what I did. There's hairs on there.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it.
Try not to sweat because I ain't put deodorant on. And I want no moisture to be into my arms. It's a little too late for that, but